Hello everyone, or should I say the internet, or maybe my 18 subscribers. Today, I am going to be teaching every single one of you how to use a compact disc. Let's get into it. But first, here's an overly long, way too long explanation on what a compact disc is and how they work. Enjoy! So to sum everything up and make you guys feel like you're in school right now, compact discs is a storage medium invented in March in 1983 in America when it was launched. It is still the thing that all the kids these days find cool. Yeah, CD players are selling out fast. If you buy a boombox from the 90s, late 80s, and even the early 2000s, you might find that they have a CD drive on them. And some computers even have disk drives on them, so you can play your CDs, like mine. So now we are going to talk about more random stuff about the discs. Discs are way too fragile. They can always break, and basically they're more popular. So yeah, I hope this gets a lot of views. It should, considering everyone loves compact discs. So this better get a lot of views. All the kids these days think compact discs are cool, right? Alright, so the first step for obtaining to use a CD is actually getting one. Oh my god, I just found one. Let's see. Free CDs. Track list. You should know that if you're selling them. Wait a minute. Price $60. But it says free CDs right here. Wait a minute. Not free. Weird, I'll take it. Gotta run, we gotta run. I just stole a CD. Now put your disc into a compatible device. Alright, now you just wait for it to read your new CD. It's gonna be so great listening to... What? But the CD was brand new when I checked it. Ugh, give me that. Ugh, this thing is... There's barely any scratches on it. How is it not working? Ugh, hate this thing. Guess I'm gonna have to try it out on something else. Well, since that other device didn't work, I guess you're gonna need to find a new one. Alright, I'm gonna try it on these devices. Will it work on a 3DS? Oh yeah, the slot's right there. Come on, get in there. Didn't work on that. What about a 2DS? The hole's up there. Let's try to fit it in. Oh, of course it doesn't work. What about this? That has a slot. Won't fit. What about a DS? The slot's right there. Well, don't forget, there's another slot. Mario and Luigi Superstar Saga, get this garbage out of here. Won't fit. Ugh. What about my Switch? There's a little slot on this. I know there is. Go on, get in there! Nothing works with this stupid thing. I think I might have one other device that will work with this thing. I have been searching. I've been searching forever. This better work. Where's the power switch? There. This better work. Why is it not working? Come on, you play CDs. Wait a minute. That says DVD. I was scammed! And I was supposed to pay $60 for this? That's as much as a modern Nintendo game. Shut you off. Oh my god. I got scammed. Wait a minute. Are DVDs still popular? When were CDs created? 1983? I was double scammed! They sold me an outdated piece of tech! I hate it when that happens. I'm gonna go destroy this outdated thing. No one likes outdated technology. It's about time we say goodbye to the CD. We're gonna do some destruction. I am so ready to destroy this thing. Alright, it's time to finish this off. Oh my god! It literally got destroyed in one shot. So, we're not yet finished. I'm sure they'll still take it back. Alright, let's just place it right here, nice and gently. Then I'm pretty sure they'll be back soon to collect it. Wait, what's that weird writing on the back? There goes all my stuff. Don't return if broken. Are you serious? Guess I have no choice but to throw it away. Well, I guess using CDs nowadays isn't the best idea because of how outdated they are. Everyone uses Spotify now, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.